Hey, today I'm going to show you how to make one of these, a squirrel trap. Basically, all it is a rat. It lives in the trees. So you're going to use a rat trap. This thing is about $1.50. It's real lightweight. You can make as many as you want. All you're going to need is 6 wood screws, a screwdriver or a drill, and a drill bit. You need to drill a hole right here in the top so you can put some cordage through so you can secure it to the tree. Now you're going to take your rat trap and you're going to flip it over. And we're going to put screws here, here, and here. Here, here, and here. But careful not to put it anywhere near the trigger. Alright, now that we got the screws in there, that's what it's going to look like. And whenever they trip the trigger, this little trap's going to come over like that, and it's going to force them down under these screws, and it's going to dispatch them for dinner. Now we need to put a hole here and a hole here. This way we can put paracord through there so we can secure it to the tree. Alright, we got our holes here. We're going to stick the paracord through there, just like that. And we're going to tie an overhand knot right here at the end. And we're going to do this for both sides. That way it's nice and tight, it's real secure, it's not going anywhere. Now that we have both sides done, we have our string on there, our paracord or cordage or whatever you want to use. Now we can affix it to a tree. You just need to put some bait right here on this trigger, set your trap, and be careful because it will slip sometimes, don't get stuck. But if you bait your trap, set it into a tree, this thing will catch you some dinner. Hey, for about $2 a piece, you can make as many of these as you want. They're real lightweight. They'll fit in your bag. You can set them out around your camp or any trees that you know that squirrels are going to be on. Hey, if you like this video, like, follow, and share. God bless you, and I'll see you next time.